So some people are a little more nervous to have their necks adjusted, especially first-time patients. And something that we always like to tell people is that we're not actually cracking any bones when we're adjusting people manually. We're just putting a motion through a joint that's moving poorly that stimulates the nervous system to get some of the spasm muscles to relax and downregulate some pain signals. But for people that are a little nervous, we do use the Activator here. This just is a lower force technique that puts a little impulse through the joint, kind of achieves the same thing. And you can kind of see here on Austin. So, some of those spots. Turn your right here. And just a couple clicks. Center. For another spot with your left. And that's it. So just a little click, and that's all it takes to get some of our newer patients that are a little more nervous, feeling better and out of pain.